Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstances, Sagittarius. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. This is the card, guys, and one card for your love guidance. So I will leave it here. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Sagittarius. So first for your general energies, we have Eight of Water, Ace of Fire, and Hanged Man. So in your circumstances today, guys, Sagittarius, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are, trying to find what will work for you, or what is the truth, or what will be the right thing, the right way to do things, handle your situation. So you may see some opportunities coming in your work, maybe, or offers for some projects or some career path, whatever it is, what you are truly drawn to, you are thinking on those lines, what you feel really inspired to take up. So you are trying to be true to your heart, trying to, not feeling influenced by these opportunities or feeling influenced by people, and you don't want to hold on to something which will not be right for you. So it may be your circumstance in your work situation, guys, or in your relationship. So you are trying to do the right things for you, for this love, and you know what will work or what will be the honest choice, and you want to be truthful to your heart, Sagittarius. So true decisions are what I see, guys. And maybe that may be confusion you are seeing in your circumstances because of this. Maybe that may be, a better person, or you may have an idea of a better person in your mind, dreaming about them. But this person you are with, they are someone giving you that, being really friendly with you, giving you contentment and joy, and you feel really supported and happy to be with them. You simply love their company, love being with them, and this person truly inspires you. And you have no inhibition or fear when you are with them. You do not hold back anything. You are really free. You have that free spirit when you are with this person. And that may be the reason you are thinking of commitment or marriage with this person, guys, maybe. And you want to be true to yourself, true to your heart. So you are thinking deeply whether to go for this person or not, or what will be the right thing for you, right choice for you. Maybe you cannot find anyone better than them. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, Sagittarius. So they are just wishing happy things for you for this relationship. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says transformation. So there are some changes happening, destiny unfolding in this relationship, and maybe you need to allow these changes to happen. It may be for your highest good. Maybe you feel that there is no one better for you, but they should also feel that, guys, to be with you in this connection or have that committed, meaningful connection with you. But if they feel otherwise, you must let them go, Sagittarius. That is what I see, guys. So it may look like something bad for you right now, something really drastic to let this person go, let this person you love going away from your life. But you need to understand that these changes are something necessary to bring something much better, much positive come back into your life, guys. So for your work situation, Sagittarius, we have 6 of Earth. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances, in your work, you have people helping you, guiding you, maybe giving you some rare opportunities or helping you out with some rare opportunities, and it is taking you towards success and prosperity. Some happy surprises are coming from this person you work with. So you are moving towards abundance and prosperity, Sagittarius. That is what I see, guys. So for your moon energy, Sagittarius, we have your commitment is being tested. So this card just means that whatever you truly wish for yourself, guys, today, maybe you must have that strength, willpower to achieve all that. Maybe the dreams you have, it may be something huge, something big, but do you sincerely have what it takes? So you must have that positive intentions. When you believe in your dreams, it is going to come true. And when you show your commitment, you are going to get that desired outcome today, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Or maybe if you are thinking about a relationship, what you need to do, you need to, if you want them and if you have true love and if you believe that what you have for them is true love, you can recommit to this person. Think of them honestly with honest intentions. Maybe your circumstances may change for you, guys, Sagittarius. So for your love guidance, Sagittarius, we have satisfaction. So this card just means that feeling happy, content just by the way we are. So instead of seeking other person's approval or validation, when you make your own choices and when you feel really happy for that, you are truly trusting your soul and you know what is the worth of your soul. And what other people think of you is none of your business. So when you have this self-acceptance, you are confirming yourself that you trust in yourself and you're feeling happy for the way you are. And you are meant to be unique. You cannot be like anyone else, guys. So being yourself and being compassionate and being this unique person is simply making you live freely, living with that awareness and living freely, making your own choices instead of living in fear. What will this person think or what will they do about this, about the way you are? So when you give up all that, you are simply going to be so happy, guys, Sagittarius. So that is your love guidance for y'all today, guys, Sagittarius. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you like this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. Thank you, Sagittarius.